And like it's just the suspension, like wait, so fun. It's just like here on the left, it's super fun, like little off-road thing. This thing rips, bro. Huh? This bar wasn't here, actually. Earlier it wasn't here. Try to make a rat over here. This thing ripped, bro! This is insane! So fun! Tell me what you can have like the same amount of fun on, like just everywhere. Because it might be like a real motocross bike on a motocross track or stuff like that, but this you can just take everywhere and it's electric and nobody cares. It's just so fun. We're gonna try to rip this corner. Wow! Just so cool. Here in the rut. Oh no, I think I've ruined it. No, that's so sad. No, I went over and I threw in. The only annoying part is that it doesn't have much torque after you like go above like 10, 15, 20, like. Where? Oh, okay. So now we're going to a really beautiful street. It's just been built, and we're gonna just have to rip there a little bit because there's nothing like that fun you can do on the street unless you know like really well how to wheelie. But I know how to wheelie on my motocross bike, but it's an 85cc and it's much bigger and much more torque, so I'm gonna have to get like used to this. Yesterday I pulled a huge wheelie, but I don't know, I just can't today, I don't know why. And yeah, it's just even like really fun, just like riding through the streets here and little on the off-road. Huh? Full test. Oh, we were in mode 2. That was just mode 2. I didn't even realize it. Hope you hear me good and all that, and the quality is like top notch because I just bought a new DJI Action 4 and the DJI Mic Mini for those videos, and I really spent like, I don't know, $300 on both, and hope it's enough. We're faster than him. Like, you're just so much faster than the cars, and it's so fun. You can just pull out, right out, and nobody's gonna care. Like, who cares? Look at that guy. Just need to wait for them here. I think that they don't want to do the dangerous maneuvers. This shit's so fun.
Walk through.
Yeah. Here's the street that I was talking about. It's really like this street, but it's just so fun, bro. It's just so fun. Like, what more do you want? Wait. The car's coming. Yeah. Just so fun. Băi, vreau să dau aici săritura. I wanna jump here. Woohoo! Fun as fuck! And he jumps with it, you can do anything you want. It basically... Whoop, whoop. Oh no. The good clear stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited to drink this water. So we're going back to near my home somewhere. There's some like local jumps. I've actually built them and they're actually so fun. Yes! Yes! The owner of the property isn't here. There's two jumps here. This one and that one. But there's like a fucking jungle down there. So we're not hitting those today. And there's just this little one. I just want to jump a couple of times just to have some fun. It's like super little for me being a pro motocross for 5 years, but we'll see, we'll see. Just hit the little jump. Whoops! Why the suspension? Wow, that's so fun! Oh yeah, there's a fucking jungle. I'm never doing that again. Și doar îi dai. Ce?
Dacă pic ce poate.
Nu piși. N-ai cum să piși, gen. Ce să-ți fac? Trebuie să fii slab. Ce? I'm actually hitting this again, it's too fun. Woo! Woo, that one's so fun! Ah! But the jungle! Ah! Am dat-o pe aia și am intrat direct în junglă. Haide! Oh no! My arm's getting red from the jungle, the mighty jungle. That was it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it.